video, I'm going to talk and show you how to get started with Minecraft. This was my very first time trying to learn this and see what Minecraft is all about. So actually, it's very easy to get started with Minecraft. All you need to is go to the Minecraft website and download it. And once you have downloaded it and launched it, you will get to this Minecraft launcher. And then there you can just click on play demo and you can get started. You get 100 hours of free demo, and I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft, because when I got started it was pretty challenging. I didn't understand how to play Minecraft and what is Minecraft. So this is very fun actually. Minecraft is all about walking around and mining things and building things out of it, right? So as you can see here, you have this heart, that's how strong and how healthy you are, and the food, and then you have the chicken legs there that's shown, that is like shows you how if you're hungry or not. And now let's get started, and I'm going to show you how to mine. So the keys to use for Minecraft is, on your keyboard you use WASD. W to go forward, and A to go left, D to go right, and S to go backward. And the main thing about Minecraft as a beginner, what you want to do is mine as much wood as you can, for example, okay? So I'm going to show you some tricks. So let's start by mining some wood. So we're going to go here, and to mine, once your arrow is pointed to the object, to the square that you want, to the block, you just hit the left click button and it will cut it for you and mine it for you. You got to keep holding it for a few seconds, and I'm gonna show you like more strategies on like how you can get better tools, a pickaxe and things like that, and that's gonna help you mine faster. So right now we initially, when you start, you might start by mining with your fist, and which is fine. So now as you can see, I'm mining and I'm collecting these wood blocks, and you can see my wood blocks in my inventory here on the bottom. It says I have 2 wood blocks. The idea about Minecraft is you mine and then build something out of it, okay? So let's get started. Let's continue doing this. We're gonna go, and jump is to go up, okay? So I'm gonna go look here now, and let's continue mining for some more wood. And when you mine the wood, make sure you pick it up, okay? And add it to your inventory. And you can always check your inventory by going to the E button, or by pressing the E key. For example, this is my inventory. As you can see in my inventory, I only have 2 oak logs. And the idea of Minecraft is to drag these things and put it in crafting and build something out of it. But right now with 2 blocks, I can't do anything. So I'm going to go back to the game and try to mine some more things, right? I mean, some more wood. Mostly wood is the best thing in Minecraft. So let's go back and try to see what we can mine, right? And if you keep mining, you'll get to something, right? And oh look, we got 1 wood there, and I got it. As you can see, now I have 3, okay? So I have 2 of those, and let's check my inventory by pressing the E key. I got dirt. Dirt is not that helpful. I've noticed like I've not been able to. And there's a recipe book. Recipe is like where you can convert things into something, from something to something. Like you can collect wood and make something out of it, right? So that's, in a nutshell, that is what Minecraft is to get started. It's really fun. I mean, I'm sure anybody, once your kids turn 7, and if you're above 7, you love playing this. Let's go and mine. Let's continue mining. And yeah, this is a beginner's video. I'm going to show you more videos and more hacks. The next idea I want to show you is that I want to show you how to build a crafter's table, because when you build a crafter's table using like blocks, first you get wood. If you have like 4 woods, you can make a crafting. You can put it in the crafting here, and it will give you a crafter's block. And that actually is nice, because once you have a crafting table, your crafting grid changes from 4 to 9. So you can that's when you advance and make the pickaxe, for example, or different things. So that's basically what Minecraft is all about. You can get red things and then make candle out of it. You can find food. You can get red dye. Like if you collect red flowers, like poppies they call, you get like this thing. You get the see, it tells you, if you search on the recipe, it will tell you what you need to convert what into what, and then you use it, and then that's how you build the whole village. My goal in my series of videos is to show you not just how to play Minecraft, but to do Minecraft modding, which is to modify Minecraft and build your own world and things like that. So continue watching. I mean, this is just a brief introduction. I'm going to show you more detailed step by step on how I'm going to be crafting a few things and how to get started. So it's free. First of all, it is free. You get 100 hours of free Minecraft game time, which is like once you install it, like how long you played is what counts. Like as you can see in my screen, I have I have remaining time 66 hours left, so I've used 40 hours of my free thing. So it is free. Minecraft is free. It's really fun. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.